Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install the AutoCAD 2022 latest version software from official website, that is for absolutely free. So watch this video till the end. Please do not skip a single part of this video. So let's start this video. First open any browser that you would like. I am using Chrome. Now search Autodesk Student and click on the first site that appear in front of you. This is the official website of Autodesk. Before downloading AutoCAD, first you need to create your student Autodesk account. For that, click on this Get Started button and create your account. Account creating is very simple. So create your account first. Those who have already account, please click on this sign in option and log into your account. Also, I have account. I am going to log in as well. Now you can see I am successfully logged in into my account. So just scroll down the page and you can see all the Autodesk softwares, and this is our AutoCAD. Right now we couldn't download this software because we need to verify our account as a student. So let's verify first. Click on this black Get Started button. Now in front of you this kind of page is open. Here for verification we need to upload some documents. First we need our mark sheet, and second our college admission confirmation letter. Third is our college ID card. So let's upload these documents. Simply by clicking on this browse option we can upload these three documents. Let me upload it first. Done, I uploaded all three documents. Now click on the submit button. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait for a moment. Done, we completed all the verification process. It will take 2 to 3 hours to get verified. So don't worry, it will be verified soon. Now you can see my Autodesk student account is fully verified. Now I can download all these softwares for free. This is our AutoCAD 2022 latest version software. Directly don't click on this install button. First we need to download it, and after that we will install it in our computer or laptop. You can see here our downloading is started. And also see all kind of education related softwares are available on this site, that is for free. You do not need to pay any type of purchasing fees. For student, this all softwares are available for free for education. Our AutoCAD downloading is finished. This type of file you will get. Simply click on that and install it in your system. Installation process is automatic and very simple. If you face any kind of problem, feel free to ask in comment box. Definitely I will reply to your comments. Okay, goodbye. See you in the next video. One more thing. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Take care. Bye.